बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं और बाप कमल और मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए इजी मैथ सॉल्यूशंस। तो आपको अब घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। किसी मैथ्स के प्रॉब्लम में आप स्टक हो जाएं, जस्ट हैव टू come to my channel and you have to see my videos. I will explain each and every question for you people step by step, so आपको मैथ्स में कोई मसला ना हो और मैथ्स आपके लिए फेयर ना बने। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम D2 एंड D2 में मैं चैप्टर नंबर 8 स्टार्ट करूँगी आज। D2 का चैप्टर नंबर 8 हमारे पास है कॉन्ग्रेंसी एंड सिमिलरिटी। बिफोर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द एक्सरसाइज, पहले मैं आपको ये समझा दूं कि कॉन्ग्रेंट फिगर्स या कॉन्ग्रेंसी होती क्या है। बेसिकली कॉन्ग्रेंसी या कॉन्ग्रेंट फिगर्स हम तब कहते हैं अगर कोई सी हमारे पास दो शेप्स, दो जो चीज़ें हैं वो एक ही शेप की हों और एक ही साइज़ की हों। उसकी पोजीशन से हमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, उसके कलर से हमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट वी शुड कीप इन आवर माइंड दैट दे शुड बी ऑफ सेम शेप एंड सेम साइज। एंड इफ़ टू फिगर्स आर कॉन्ग्रेंट, तो उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम लोग जो सिंबल यूज़ करते हैं, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक इक्वेशन इक्वल साइन, बट इन इक्वल साइन वी हैव टू lines, while in this we have three lines. एंड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द पॉलीगॉन, इफ़ वी विल से दैट कि कोई पॉलीगॉन जो है वो कॉन्ग्रेंट तब होगी जब इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़। अब इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़ की कंडीशन का मतलब क्या होता है कि आप इसको रिवर्स में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मतलब कि अगर आपके पास कोई पॉलीगॉन्स कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं तो उसकी सारी की सारी corresponding साइड्स और एंगल्स आपस में इक्वल होंगे। और रिवर्स कंडीशन में आप क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि अगर उसकी corresponding साइड्स और एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो वो पॉलीगॉन्स आपस में क्या होंगी, कॉन्ग्रेंट होंगे। सो ये इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ़ की कंडीशन यहाँ पे इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग कि अगर कॉन्ग्रेंट है तो साइड्स और एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे। अगर साइड्स एंड एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो हम कह सकते हैं कि पॉलीगॉन्स आपस में क्या है, कॉन्ग्रेंट है। आई विल शो यू सम एग्जांपल। आई हैव कटेड टू ट्राइंगल्स। ये मेरे पास दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, ठीक है। अब कैन यू सी दैट दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर एग्जैक्टली सेम। इसका साइज सेम है और इसकी शेप सेम है। अब हम कह सकते हैं कि अगर आप इनको साइड चेंज करके रख दें, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने ये इस तरह से रखा और इसको मैं इस तरह से रख देती हूँ, सो आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग साइड। I have to find out the basically this angle. So exactly I have to find out where this angle will coincide with the other triangle. So that means I have to figure out, I have to work it out. So this triangle, this angle will be equal to this angle. Let us suppose this is angle A, so and it is of 45 or 60 degree, just an example. So that means this angle is also equal to the same thing. Exactly about the sides, if I'm saying that this side is equal to 4 centimeters, so that means this side is also equal to 4 centimeter. Just changing the position means it doesn't affect the congruency, only just you have to figure out that which side is corresponding to which side of the other shape. It's the basically thing that you have to identify. So when we will solve some questions and some practice now from our book, so you will understand it definitely. So moving towards our practice now, first of all I want to explain something from the practice now. So I will solve practice now 1 on book, because we just have to identify the congruent figures. Okay, this is our practice now 1, in which they are asking about which shape are congruent. So obviously we can see that keeping in mind the definition of congruency, that same shape and same size, can we say that the star A and H, they are congruent because they are of same shape and same size. Similarly B and E are congruent, C and F are congruent, D and G and I are congruent. What about J? Is there any shape? No, there is no shape. So we'll say that there is no congruent figure for J. Clear? Now I will show you that if two figures are congruent, so how we can find its missing side. Basically congruency in daily life we will use in photocopying machine. Have you ever seen any document that are photocopied? You will see that exactly the same thing is transferred to another paper. So we will use in daily life over there, and in Construction sites as well we will use, the manufacturing site as well we are using this congruency figure. We can use a lot of pens of same size and same shapes and toys and something like that. So in manufacturing industry, a lot of use of congruent figures are there. So moving towards our practice now 2. This is practice now 2 on page number 244. I'm explaining practice now 2. After that we will move towards the exercise because they are related with that. So we have two shapes. Can you see that it is a quadrilateral, and we have to find basically the missing side. I told you earlier they have just changed the positions of that shape, that two shapes. You can see that the B over here, there is a 90-degree angle. It is on the other side, it should be here, but they have tilted it. They have changed the position of that, and now Q is here. So if you will find, you have to see that which two angles are equal. So I will say that PQR, and this will be equal to ABC, and the value of these two angles, they are equal to 90-degree, what they are asking in the last step. Moving from the first step, we have to find PQ. First of all, we will figure out where it is. PQ is here. PQ is here. So on the other side, you have to see the same sides. You can see that at the end of Q, it is 90 degrees. So on the other side, you also have to find the same side. On the end, there is a 90 degrees. So I can find a point B. With B, there is A. So that means AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Similarly, next is SR. SR, first of all, I will see that where is SR. SR, this is a tilted line. So on the other side, I will also see where it is tilted line. Tilted line is at point DC. So that means if DC is 6, so that means SR is also 6 centimeter. Next, I have to find PS. PS is the smaller side. So on the other side, I will also see where is the smaller side, that is AD, that is also equal to 2 centimeter. Then I have QR. QR, this is the base on which the 90-degree angle is there. So on the other side, I will also see the base, that is BC. If this is 5.3, that means this is also equal to 5.3. So this is how we will identify, we will figure out the missing side of the given polygons. So now moving towards our exercise 8A on the question number 1 and question number 2, that is exactly the same of practice now 1 and 2. This is exercise 8A, and question number 1, again we have to identify. So that's why I'm not writing, because we just have to identify the shapes, which two shapes are congruent. So A and F are congruent, B and J are congruent, D and G are congruent, I and K are congruent, C and E are congruent. There is nothing congruent with L, because I cannot find any circle over here. There is nothing congruent with H, because I cannot find any rectangle over here. I think it's clear now that how we will identify which two shapes are congruent. Moving towards question number 2, given that, now can you see that this 3 lines are given, that means these PQRST, this is congruent to VWXYZ. We have to copy and complete. Again, we have to find the missing side, just we have done in the previous exercise, previous work example. You have to find PQ. PQ is a straight line with the end at an angle of 90 degrees. So on the other side, I have to find exactly the same side with a 90-degree angle. So I can find a letter W on which I can see that there is a 90-degree angle. So that means I will see that PQ is equal to VW, and this is 3.5. So that means this is also 3.5. It's simple. So I'll just write 3.5 over here. Now I will see PT. PT is the smallest straight line. So I will see on the other side PT. Although this is also a straight line, but I think this is a big one and this is a small one. So that means this is congruent to this. So VZ. If this is 2, that means this is also 2. So I'll write 2 over here. Next is QR. QR is the base. So I will find out the base on the other shape. wx, this is the base. If this is 3.5, that means this is also 3.5. Next is ts. Ts is the slant or the tilted side, so I will figure out the tilted side on the other side, that is zw is the tilted side and the value is 2.1, so over here it is also 2.1. sr after tilted side I have a small line, that is sr2. Over here it is wx, so it should be 2. And angle is pqr. I will figure out pqr. It at a point q it is 90 degrees, so on the other side I will also find out vwx. At w it is 90, so the value is 90. I hope so this is clear. Again, moving towards question number 3. Given that again I have two figures and the second one is the tilted one, like it is rotated one, EFGH, and on the other side it is LMNO. You can figure out from the letters as well. EF, and over here it is LM. You are getting my point? EF, LM, that means they must be same. So if we will see that where the value is given, LM is given, so that means LM is 3.5, so that means EF must be 3.5. Got it? Then GH over here it is NO. GH is 2.GH, and over here it is NO. GH basically we have to find, and on the other side I told you this is NO. NO is 2.4, so that means GH should be equal to 2.4. I think you are getting my point. And next we have to find this angle is given L. Again I told you L and E positions. You can see that the positions from the letters L and E. L is 100, that means E will also equal to 100. You can see from the positions of the letters as well. And from next one is N. N is 75. On the same position of N, I will see that what is the letter over here, that is G. G should also be equal to 75. Clear? Over here F is given 75. On the position of F I will see that which letter is there, M. F is 65, that means M is also 65. Then the last is given, that is I think all angles are done. Yes, H is given, that is 120, and on the position of H there is an angle O. So if H is 120, that means O is also 120. So all the missing sides and all the missing angles we have done. So same we will do from the all questions we will do like this.